So welcome to the Sound Credit Portal. Today we're going to talk about adding new recordings. And we're also going to take a look at adding new albums. We've already got some made here. So we'll go into the test, which is a new song. And inside of the new song, you're able to look at the genres. You're able to look at some recording information. You're able to add studio version, remix, key signature, time signature, tempo, moods, original artist, date mastered, your duration of your song, date of recording, legal lines, special purposes, codes and flags. You can put your work code here. You can also generate an ISRC code using the Sound Credit Portal, which we explain more in another video. You can tell if the song contains samples, explicit content. You can add acknowledgments, liner notes, save and proceed. You can go to release info, record label, UPC, catalog ID, release date. You can also generate a grid code. Here's where you add credits, which we'll explain in another video, lyrics, and notes. This is how you essentially start your first song inside of the Sound Credit Portal. You do the same thing when you start an album. You go here and you create your album.